Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have an unboxing, first impressions video on another Nomadic watch. So let's see which one. So Nomadic is a startup or let's say a micro brand coming out of Belfast, Ireland, and they do a really nice watches. Oh, nice. So this is the Marai 401 Prestige in gold and black. So let me take it off. As you can see, very nice color combination with the black and gold. So this is the 401 Marai Prestige. Like I said, Marai means seafarer in Irish, and this draws inspiration from Belfast shipbuilding legacy. And the 401 is also some kind of call or number that is connected to the production of the Titanic. So what is the specs of the watch? So let me get the caliper. So we have a 40 degrees, 40 millimeters in diameter. We have lug to lug distance of 48, and we have thickness of around 11.5. Lug width is 20, and as you can see from this one, there is a black and gold combination. There is also other colors from this watch, like the blue, the all black, the crimson, so the red, and green. So you have these four colors. All 316L steel, case with brushed and polished, as you can see, polished chamfers, brush side, brush lugs, really nice work. What I also like is the quick release function. As you can see, you can quickly release the bracelet. So let's first cover the bracelet. So we have here a milled clasp with micro glide adjustment to adjustment, mini adjustments, like if you want to make it bigger or smaller. And they're all solid links, as you can see. I think that's gold plated, most probably gold plated. And on the watch itself, something to clean, we have the Sellita SW200-1 with a very cool rotor, like the boat's turbine, which I really like, looks really nice. So we have the Sellita 200-1, 41 hours power reserve, 26 joules, hacking and hand winding. You can see the hand winding. You can see the hacking. Oh, does it hack? Yeah, it does hack. Yeah, it does hack. Okay, so we saw the hand winding and the hacking. Now we can look at the lume, which should be Super Luminova with green C3. So as you can see, green C3. We'll definitely make a lume video like I usually do to check how long the lume will last. So the watch has also a domed sapphire crystal, as you can see, very cool looking domed sapphire crystal, anti-reflective coating on the inside, which I always appreciate, anti-scratch on the outside, ceramic bezel, 120 clicks, with also lume on the bezel. So you can see lume on the pip, but no lume on the markers on the bezel. So what they did new on this one is that they improved the finishing on the edges. I could see that also. They have here the brushed elements, the polished elements on the chamfers. They also improved the bracelet with the quick release, which I think is very helpful, and also the micro glide adjustment. They didn't change, I think, almost anything else other than that. I like that the hand is cut. I like also the minutes is full until the end. Yeah, I think I'd really enjoy wearing this watch now for the next couple of weeks, which I will then give you my opinion on it. Let me show you how this micro adjustment works. So basically you get, sorry, not the micro adjustment, the spring bar easy adjust. So basically you get this part here and then you close it from both sides, and then it's supposed to be easily inserted. Here we go. Voila. And on the other side you do the same thing. You press on these two pins to insert it, and here we go. So this is how it looks on my 17.1 centimeter wrist. On the side. Yeah, I think that covers it for the unboxing. I will wear it for the next couple of weeks and let everyone know what I think about the watch. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you do like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe. It does help the channel a lot. You will find the subscription button here, and you might find videos on the left and on the right that you might enjoy. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.